Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how you can get access to almost 80,000 free ebooks from Project Gutenberg and easily put them on your Kindle e-reader. Quick and easy. Go to Project Gutenberg or gutenberg.org. You'll find this main screen. They have obviously a ton of ebooks, but for the sake of the video, we're going to go to frequently downloaded. Here you can see the top 100 ebooks recently downloaded. We're going to find a book. We'll pick Crime and Punishment. We're going to click on it. It'll take you to this screen. It's cool because you can read it online. You can browse through it. So if you want to download it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, EPUB 3. You're going to click on this green box here. You can see this little box comes up here, download EPUB 3. So I'm going to click on that, and Windows or Mac, it's pretty much the same thing. It's going to go to your downloads. Okay, so here's the EPUB for the book. I've taken it out of my downloads and I've put it on my desktop. What I'm going to do is change the file name to Crime and Punishment. I just like to name the files, that way I know what they are. You can see now I have my little thumbnail. I have my ebooks backup folder. I'm gonna just drag it in there. You can see that I also have Moby Dick in here. Got your EPUBs named and ready to go. Okay, next step. You're going to search send to Kindle and get to this screen, send to Kindle. And this is going to be our uploader where we're going to drag and drop the EPUB file. You can drag and drop the EPUB, or you can click this yellow button, select files from device, and you can browse through your files in this file finder. I'm just gonna drag and drop, super easy. I'm gonna grab my EPUB here and I'm gonna drag it and drop it right into there. You can see my EPUB here in the queue, Crime and Punishment. This is the file size, 765 kilobytes. I can, if I want to, drop more files in here, so I can add multiple EPUBs at one time. So once I'm happy, I have this checked here, add to your library. Files in your library can be downloaded to any device linked to your account. So I have that checked and I'm going to click send. All right, so we have our confirmation. Our book is on the way to the Kindle. It may take a few minutes for it to show up. You can see the status here, processing, and you can see Moby Dick from last night sent to Kindle, and it's in my library. So I'm gonna give that a couple minutes. All right, so you can see in the status, it's in the library. So let me jump over to the Kindle. All right, so we are at the Kindle, and so the Wi-Fi is on for the transfer, and you can see here Crime and Punishment. So I clicked on the book and it queued up and downloaded, and you can see now I have the cover art, so it's ready to go. Got all the chapters, all the parts and all the chapters. Got a preface from the translator, and it's ready to go. So that's how you quickly and easily send nice, perfect ebook files from Project Gutenberg to your Kindle. So I hope that helps. Check out the links down below. You'll find links to the Kindle, to this case that I'm using. And happy reading. Leave a comment, leave a question. I try to read and answer every question. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks. See ya.